Good evening everyone, this is Kenny here, and today I'm actually going to take you down to memory lane. You see this building right behind me? This is called Geographér Café on Jonker Street, Malacca. Okay? So this cafe has been around for a very long time. I remember sitting at this spot, right at this window here, holding my coke. That time still underage. Holding my coke, looking out on the streets after I finished my major exams at SPM back when I was 17 years old. So this cafe has been around for a long time. It's still here. And it's still a great place to hang out, okay? There's massive selections. There's some live band, especially on Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay, a lot of people here. So it's very lively. And do pay them a visit, okay? So let me take you to Jonker Street, okay? Sorry, Geographer's Café. Let's go. So you can see the decoration here. It's really old school. Last time they used to have a live band here. Not sure if they still do. So if you want to look for a place that you can actually go up there, but today is a weekday, so only downstairs available. That's how it looks like. Oh, they have renovated. Beautiful. So that's how the upstairs looked like. I used to sit one of the windows. Very old school. You can see. And this is the air conditioned room. Last time don't even have this part. This is their menu. Quite extensive. Gula Melaka kaya, nice. Then you come here usually for chill. So drink this liquor, some liquor, listen to live band, but today no live band . Okay, I ordered Malibu. Give me something to stir with. Mom got a mocktail, don't know what mocktail it is, but it looks good. Got pineapple beside. And a monkey shoulder on the rocks. So it's closing time. I'll be sharing the address for you down below, the description down below. So do come to Geographer's Café to visit. And I hope you like the place as well as much as I like it. This is Kenny here, and I'll see you again next video. Bye.